Meaning of drop cloth.
Drop cloth.
Drop cloth.
Drop cloth.
Drop cloth. A drop cloth is a protective fabric sheet used in painting or construction to prevent surfaces from being damaged by spills, splatters, and other debris. It is usually made of canvas, paper or plastic and is placed directly on the floor or furniture beneath the work area. Drop cloths are often used in DIY projects or by professional painters to protect surfaces from paint, dust, and other materials. Once the job is finished, the drop cloth can be easily removed and discarded, leaving the surface clean and undamaged.